Convergent Outsourcing. Hi, I'm consumer protection attorney Bill Clanton, and I've helped hundreds of consumers deal with debt collection harassment, inaccurate credit reporting, and other consumer-related matters. In today's video, I'll be discussing Convergent Outsourcing, who they are, what they do, and the laws that protect you from them. Convergent Outsourcing is a third-party debt collector. They're based in Washington State, and they've been around since 1950. They've been around a long time. They've probably changed hands several times over that time period. And they've been sued a lot of times during that time period. They've been sued over 800 times under the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. And there are over 4,500 complaints against them with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. It's a lot of complaints. Now, Convergent buys and collects a lot of consumer debt. They have agreements with credit card companies to buy debt as it goes bad, and then they collect it. They file lawsuits, they make phone calls, they do credit reporting, they do the whole thing. Now, what can you do to protect yourself from Convergent? Save any letters you get from them. Keep track of all the phone calls you get, and keep an eye on your credit report if they're reporting it on your credit report. Those are the three best ways, because they can invoke the three most powerful laws that are on your side. The Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, or FDCPA, says that Convergent can't do a whole laundry list of things. They can't call you before 8 a.m. or call you after 9 p.m. They can't disclose the debt to a third party. They can't make misrepresentations to you about the amount or the legal status of the debt. They can't tell you you're talking to an attorney when you're not. They can't misreport on your credit report things that they knew or should have known better than to report, including they have to report that the debt is disputed if you have disputed it. So it's important to always dispute debts. Any kind of misrepresentation is actionable under the FDCPA, and a lot of times these misrepresentations are made in letters. So hold on to any letters you get from Convergent. The Telephone Consumer Protection Act, the TCPA, says that if Convergent is using an auto dialer and they're calling your cell phone, they have to have your permission. If they don't have your permission, or if you've revoked your permission, they have to stop calling you. Any call made to your cell phone with an auto dialer is a violation, and a violation is penalized at $500 per call, up to $1,500 per call. These cases can be very valuable. The Fair Credit Reporting Act is the third law that protects you from Convergent Outsourcing. The Fair Credit Reporting Act says that Convergent, when they furnish information to the credit bureaus, have to do so accurately and in a non-misleading way. So if Convergent supplies false information or mistaken information, or is reporting on your credit report when you don't have any debt with them, that's a violation of the law. In order to invoke that law, you need to dispute that information with the credit bureaus. A written dispute is the best way to do that, and that gives the credit bureaus 45 days to investigate it. Their investigation, they have to notify Convergent within 5 days of receiving your dispute, and then Convergent has 30 days to get back to the bureaus, and the bureaus have a total of 45 days to get back to you. These laws are on your side, and I'm in your corner. I want to put these laws to work for you. When you're ready to turn the tables on Convergent Outsourcing, give me a call. My number's at the end of this video and in the description below. I appreciate you watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.